You can create video using all script, you can paste an article link, you can edit your videos, or you can upload your visuals. So I'm going to click here to proceed, and now right here we can write a script. So first of all, I'm going to type a title. Now I type a title, top 5 biggest animal in the world. Now we have to type a script. So we don't have to write a script from scratch, we can just copy this title. We can go to ChatGPT and we can paste this question. Now we have this script, so I'm going to copy this script. And now let's go back to our website. Now we can paste this script, and now as you can see guys, we have this script. Now we can click here to proceed. Now right here we have to choose a template. So as you can see, we have several templates. So I'm going to select this one, and now we have to choose an aspect ratio as well. So if you want to export this video for a mobile screen, we can select this one, but I'm going to select this one, and now let's click on this continue. Now we have this video created using only script. But as you can see guys, we have so much information shown to us on the screen. But don't worry, we can also fix this. We can also click here, and now we can click here to split scene. So it will split this scene, and now as you can see guys, we have scene number 1 and scene number 2. And if you want to change the visual of screen number 2, we can select that scene. We can go to the visuals, and we can also change the visual. So if you select this scene, we can select a new video, and now we have this new visual. We can select this one as well, and now it will change this to our new video. Now right here, as you can see guys, we can also add transition. So we can click here to add transition. So we have these transitions. Now we can also edit the text. So as you can see guys, in the first scene we have blue whale and we have the word highlight. So if you want to highlight something in your text, we can double click, we can select this one, we can click here to highlight, and now I'm going to select this text, and now let's highlight this one as well. And now it's that simple. Now if you notice, we have a music in the background, but we can also change that. So as you can see guys, we can uncheck, so we don't have any music. We can also add a voiceover, we can upload our voiceover, we can record a voiceover. So if I select this one, and now I'm going to click here, and now let's allow reaching length of up to 100 feet, 30 meters, and weighing up to 200 tons. Now as you can see guys, I have this audio, we can apply this, we can save this, or we can cancel this. So I'm going to cancel this one. Now we can also add text to speech. So let's go to the audio, and now let's go to the voiceover. And now as you can see guys, we have several voice. So I'm going to select Jackson.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video.
Now we can preview this voice. We can now click here to apply this one. And now if I preview this clip, as you can see guys, the video is now loading to preview.
Blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet, 30 meters, and weighing up to 200 tons.
I'm going to select the first scene, go to the visual, search for a keyword. So I'm going to search for blue whale, and now I'm going to select this one. And now we have new visual. So we can also search for a keyword. We can also trim this video. So as you can see guys, we can also trim this video, and we can also edit some additional things. Now we can also download this. So we can click here to download this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want to see more video like these, then subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.